Now back to your weather impact forecast here on Earth. And it's going to be a hot one, Becca.
It is going to be a scorcher. That heat wave has already arrived, and it's going to stick with us all the way through Wednesday. So get ready for near 90-degree temperatures, not only today, but we'll continue that into Wednesday with an increase in humidity. That heat index value will likely feel just a little bit hotter than the actual air temperature. We do have some changes, though. This is not going to last all week long. We do have a midweek cold front that is going to bring in some rain and storms starting Wednesday, becoming much more prominent going into your Thursday and Friday. This is going to be followed by a nice cool down into the 70s. Now, exactly 1 month ago, we had our first 90-degree day of the year. That was way ahead of schedule. So if we do hit 90 degrees today, like we are forecasted to do so, that would be our second 90-degree day of the year. Not only that, this is looking to be the warmest day out of the year so far, with highs again in the lower 90s today all the way through Wednesday. So just like in summer, you will want to take those necessary precautions. Maybe you take the dog out in the morning and the evening. Just take it easy out there, especially in the peak of those daytime hours. Here's that service map. It is very warm and humid across the southeast, all thanks to that Bermuda high pressure system pumping in the air from the southwest. So eventually, out ahead of that cold front, we will see our first chance for rain, even a few thunderstorms. Not for everyone. This is going to be introduced on Wednesday, but more prominent and widespread actually alongside that front is going to be Thursday, and a weak cold air damming setup is going to keep us cool going into Friday. It's certainly cloudy. And then as the high pressure system moves off towards the east for the weekend, more scattered rain and storm chances as well. So timing out this latest futurecast for you on Wednesday, as we get some daytime heating, we'll begin those rain chances just afternoon. We'll have a chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm pretty much from lunchtime all the way through midnight. But that best coverage does look to be Charlotte towards the northwest, mountains, foothills, all the way down over towards Shelby, Gaston County. But any person or any location that does get a thunderstorm would anticipate at least some briefly heavy downpours, some gusty winds, and some lightning. We'll carry that risk, like I mentioned, all the way through Wednesday night. After we lose that daytime heating, rain chances fizzle out, but we'll do it all again for Thursday. Again, looking more widespread, especially going into Thursday evening and Friday. A real good optimistic chance out of the next 7 days to pick up at least an inch. In fact, forecast models really optimistic at even 1 to 2 inches of rainfall north and west of the Charlotte metro. Now, there is going to be a storm risk going into a Memorial Day weekend. I wouldn't say cancel your plans. Just keep an eye on that forecast and, of course, the sky if you haven't already. And if you do have any outdoor activities any one of these days, you could download that WCNC app so you can actually track those showers and storms real time right on your phone. Know, though, that it is going to be quite cooler, upper 70s to lower 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. So definitely don't cancel any plans, but just make sure to keep back with the forecast as it continues to fine-tune over the next several days. It is warm out there, 80 degrees here in the metro, up to 84 over towards Statesville, 84 over towards Cheraw and Albemarle, and 75 out the door over towards Ashe County and Jefferson. Again, it's going to be a dry day, tons of sunshine. Definitely don't want to skip out on the SPF as that UV index goes up to a 9 today. It's a burn time close to 20 minutes. In this Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast, a nice stretch of sunshine and certainly feeling like summer. Today, tomorrow, rain and storm chances for Wednesday. It's hit or miss. Not everyone sees them. More prominent rain coming for Thursday. A little bit of a cold air damming setup, like I mentioned, for Friday. Clouds, cooler temperatures down into the 70s, and on and off rain chances. This weekend, it will slowly warm up back to near 80 degrees for Sunday, which is right where we should be for this time of year.